Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. Here are health benefits that makes apple so special. In this video I'll discuss about benefits of apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Apples helps and decreases risk of diabetes and reduces cholesterol. Helps overcoming constipation, makes you feel full and help you reduce weight. It also strengthens your immunity. Great source of nutrition. Apples are great source of nutrients like vitamin C, B complex vitamins, dietary fibers, phytonutrients and minerals such as calcium, potassium and phosphorus. These nutrients play a variety of important role in your body, making apple a powerful house of nutrition. Can help in preventing or treating anemia. Anemia is characterized by deficiency of hemoglobin, a molecule found in red blood cells. Makes your teeth strong. Eating apples helps in cleaning both teeth and gums. When you bite into an apple, the fiber in it cleans the teeth. The antibacterial properties of these fruits keep bacteria and viruses away. Apples prevent cancer, particularly breast and colon cancer. Apples are extremely rich in important antioxidants and dietary fibers. Apple help in stomach disorders as well as apples specifically help improve metabolism within the digestion tract. Apples are help to make the eye stronger and improve eyesight. They also help in treating night blindness. This video purely for informational and knowledge purposes only. Like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.